You know, see, a rocky road, me I go through, no need that for my that live.
What go on, my people? Dancehall skilla there. Big up. You know, say, me I watch a video, and the video had been posted on social media with words in the title of the video that says interview and also silk and also boss. So based on the title what me see for the video and based on voices that I heard in the video, I assume that one of those voices is a silk boss and that the whole thing was an interview. See? So listen now. During this video that I assume is an interview, the man say a robbing get robbing and in baby mother get disrespected. It's like the man say is a car I go buy and your own friend then rob him, you know. The golf had been mentioned in the video, and based on what me hear in the video, golf seems to be a place in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica, you know. And the person went on to explain other things as well. But based on some things that the person said, and I assume that that person is Silk Boss based on the title of the video and those voices when me hear in the video, me get the understanding say the man I try pre on a positive side. It's like the man I try to love certain things and just pre music. And I respect that. Me respect that. Me realize a certain video had been mentioned in that video that I saw that I assume is some form of an interview. All the voices me hear again, me I say it. You see, but people, me tell you something, man, robbery can happen to anybody. And one of the worst things can happen to you is when you get robbed by people or a person where you know, or and even more so, your friend or friends. You see it? But based on some things that the person said, me respect that positive thinking there. Yeah man, me I tell you the truth to people, you see it? And the person also said some more things that make me assume that a gun was there during what the person said is a robbery. So it seems as if money had been robbed based on some things when me hear my people. My people, you have to be careful out there. Yes, one time you rise in a life, meaning that you make money in a life or you get fame in a life, you have to be careful. And it's sad to say, but you have to be careful even with your own friends. No, it's sad to say. Because them things I'm hearing at the video, my people, I start to say to myself, say, John, no. I saw life set. So you have to pre different. And based on some more things that him said to my people, it seems as if this not have nothing to do with music and Josh not have nothing to do with it. That's why when time it comes down to certain videos where you see on social media, we have a responsibility to think and don't just quick for judge and jump to certain conclusions. You see it? And if you, my viewers and subscribers, know and even remember, there is a video circulating on social media that shows a silk boss. See? And that video shows silk boss being hit more than 2 times. And a 2 persons, me say, in the video, I hit silk boss. When I first see the video, I wonder if a music video, I wonder what, I say, how this, what make this reach on social media? You understand my people, all them things there. But anyways, part there now. See? During the thing that I assume is an interview, me hear when him say some things that gave me the understanding that a certain video had been put out there, I think, more than 3 weeks, because me can't remember exactly what the person said. You see me? A month had been mentioned in the video. See? So, the people, at them things there, me I talk about when it comes on to social media. Sometimes, when you see certain videos on social media, you have to think. And don't just think on a shallow end and a negative end. Think on a positive vibes and a wide mindset. Anyways, me not stay long. Me just make you know certain things on me here in our video. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think. Until next time, I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now?